Hello everyone, my name is Annalie. I am 28 years old and I study industrial engineering. I am organized and responsible. I like solving problems and improving processes. I can design plans. I use Excel and AutoCAD. I can analyze data and work well in teams. I can operate heavy machinery jets, but I am learning. I waking up at 7 o'clock a.m. I have breakfast and go to class or work. In the afternoon, I review projects and finish my reports. In the evening, I relax and go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m. There is a big living room with a sofa and a TV on the wall. There are three rooms. My bedroom is next to the kitchen. There is a desk near the window and shelved above it. I keep it very tidy. There is beautiful Place de Armas in the center. There are many white buildings and the volcano El Misty the hides the city. It is wonderful place to live. Thank you for listening.